In this video, we will highlight 5 RWA crypto altcoins under 100 million market cap that will explode next bull run. These RWA altcoins have the potential to 100x your investment. While you are here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. RWA project number 1 is Realio. The Realio network represents a comprehensive, all-inclusive software as a service platform operating within the cutting-edge sector of the blockchain technology space. The primary goal of the Realio network is to seamlessly merge sophisticated, enterprise-grade blockchain technology with investment opportunities of unparalleled institutional quality. Operating across multiple platforms, the Realio network runs on both the Ethereum and Arbitrum networks, which are well regarded for their reliability and versatility. This dual-platform operation ensures a robust, dependable environment, conducive to a broad range of digital asset activities. The Realio network stands on 4 foundational pillars that contribute to its comprehensive nature. These pillars include fiat and cryptocurrency payment services, crypto trading services, crypto economic services, and community services. Each of these integral components works together to create a well-rounded platform that serves the diverse needs of its user base. To further enhance usability and functionality, the Realio network offers an expansive range of features. These include, but are not limited to, a decentralized exchange, a secure wallet, a tokenization engine for asset digitization, a compliance engine to ensure regulatory adherence, and a smart contract engine. These features enable users to engage in a broad spectrum of digital asset activities. Realio aims to make investing in real-world assets like real estate or even company shares more accessible by facilitating fractional ownership through security tokens. The prospects of decentralized real estate through blockchain technology are exciting. This technology enables fractional asset ownership, passive income, and easy liquidity access. Blockchain security and transparency improve trust, something traditional real estate investment often lacks. The tokenization process is simple and efficient. Major institutions have acknowledged its transformative impact on traditional markets. With the Realio network spearheading this innovative investment method, the future of real estate looks brighter than ever. Rio currently has a market cap of 60 million. We predict that Rio will have a market cap of at least 6 billion in a bull run. That is exactly a 100x from here. As our second RWA project under 100 million market cap, we would like to highlight TokenFi. TokenFi is a user-friendly platform for crypto and asset tokenization that allows users to tokenize any real-world asset and launch crypto tokens without needing to write code or spend much money. Part of the Floki ecosystem, TokenFi was initially created to distribute token crypto rewards to the Floki community. TokenFi was introduced in late October 2023 as the result of a Floki DAO proposal to launch a staking program. The Floki community approved the proposal and immediately setting the project in motion. The TokenFi platform uses token coins to reward users who stake Floki coins. TokenFi features 5 key components. The TokenFi token launcher lets anyone create ERC20 and BEP20 compliant tokens in a few simple steps. The RWA tokenization module will allow users to input any RWA that isn't a security and turn it into a crypto token. The TokenFi Launchpad takes care of the technical aspects of fundraising, so that project creators can focus on networking and fundraising. The TokenFi AI Smart Contract Auditor will help ensure that crypto token launches and asset tokenization remain fully above board. Users will be able to get on-the-spot token audits for their smart contracts, which will reassure the community and prevent malicious actors from taking advantage of TokenFi's easy token generation process. With the referral and user incentives program, TokenFi hopes to further support the tokenization industry through user incentives. In order to boost program adoption, users who refer others will receive additional token rewards. TokenFi is more than just a new part of the Floki ecosystem, as it also has exciting implications for the billion-dollar tokenization industry. By focusing on the real-world asset tokenization process, TokenFi has the potential to further connect the blockchain industry with real-world items. TokenFi currently has a market cap of 90 million. A market cap of 10 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a nice 111x from here. Our third RWA project we would like to highlight is called Credifi. The Credifi platform is an innovative blend of DeFi protocol and traditional fintech solutions. Within the conventional financial ecosystem, Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, and DeFi lenders often face challenges in accessing lending and borrowing services. Notable problems include inconsistent DeFi yields, high interest rates, and a limited number of lenders who can meet the demands of SMEs. Credi addresses these issues through decentralized and secure lending. Its services are provided in 3 stages: portfolio lending, project-based P2P lending, and trade finance. In the portfolio lending stage, Credify allows users to lend stablecoins to various portfolios. These portfolios range from low to high risk, and lenders can select them based on their risk tolerance. Credi assists lenders with risk assessment, credit score data, and other relevant information. All credit portfolios, depending on the risk, will yield an APY of approximately 10%. In the project-based P2P lending stage, Credify leverages the decentralized nature of blockchain technology to offer peer-to-peer lending services. This stage aims to enable users to connect directly for lending and borrowing without intermediaries. Credify also offers zero collateral loans in this stage. In the final stage, trade finance, Credi combines traditional financial services with decentralization to offer lending and borrowing services to a wide customer base without barriers. This stage includes trade finance, meaning lenders and borrowers can enter into a deal and underwrite agreements such as a letter of credit or letter of guarantee. The Credify platform serves as a bridge between crypto lenders and SMEs with its versatile functions. Tokenizing real-world assets not only enables fractional ownership, but also enhances liquidity. SMEs can use these asset tokens as collateral for loans on the Credify platform, thereby improving liquidity and enabling diversified portfolios. Leveraging blockchain and smart contract technology, the Credify platform ensures seamless transactions. Credify currently has a market cap of 15 million. We predict that Credi will have a market cap of at least 2 billion in a bull run. That is a nice 133x from here. RWA project number 4 is a project called Goldfinch. Goldfinch represents a groundbreaking decentralized credit protocol that has been thoughtfully designed to enable crypto borrowing without the standard requirement of crypto collateral. Instead of tying loans to on-chain crypto assets, Goldfinch's approach allows these loans to be fully backed by off-chain assets. This is a significant departure from the norm, as existing decentralized crypto lending protocols frequently impose a requirement for borrowers to over-collateralize their loans with crypto assets. This stringent requirement often acts as a barrier, excluding a large majority of potential borrowers on a global scale. However, Goldfinch has successfully managed to incorporate the principle of trust through consensus into its operational model. This innovative approach allows borrowers to establish and demonstrate their creditworthiness based on the collective assessment carried out by other participants in the network, as opposed to relying solely on their crypto assets. The Goldfinch protocol functions with 3 main roles at its core: investors, borrowers, and auditors. Within this ecosystem, investors supply USDC to the protocol, which is then accessible for use by borrowers. There exist 2 distinct paths to becoming an investor within the Goldfinch network: as a backer or as a liquidity provider. Backers are primarily driven by yield and specificity. They carry out comprehensive evaluations of individual borrower pools, make informed decisions about whether they should invest in them with their first loss capital, and in return, they earn the highest yields offered by the protocol. On the other hand, liquidity providers are more focused on diversification and liquidity. They are network members who contribute both capital and GFI to a Goldfinch membership vault, with the overarching aim of promoting the network's growth and ensuring its security. The borrowers in this ecosystem are participants who seek financing from Goldfinch, and they propose borrower pools that are put forth for evaluation by the network. In this way, the Goldfinch protocol capitalizes on the unique benefits of cryptocurrency, specifically its ability to provide global access to capital. Goldfinch currently has a market cap of 70 million. We predict that Goldfinch will have a market cap of at least 8 billion in a bull run. That is a 114x from here. Our final RWA project under 100 million market cap is called Swarm Markets. Swarm Markets presents itself as the world's first licensed DeFi platform, regulated by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. This project functions as a compliant AMM-based DEX for Ethereum, targeting both institutions and individual investors seeking a safer way to participate in DeFi. Swarm Markets supports various types of tokens, including crypto assets and tokenized real-world assets. It was an early entrant into the rapidly growing tokenized RWA segment. In 2021, the project announced it was adding up to 250 liquidity providers, who pledged $15 million. It also launched the first version of its DEX on Ethereum. As of 2024, Swarm Markets authorizes many different types of tokens for listing, including tokenized versions of stocks like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. So, how does Swarm Markets operate? Automated market makers are a common feature of decentralized exchanges in the DeFi sector. Most of them, like Uniswap, Balancer, or Curve, use AMMs solely for cryptocurrencies and tokens. Swarm Markets, however, targets investors who wish to trade on-chain tokens representing a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, commodities, and more. The underlying AMM operates similarly to Balancer, with liquidity providers contributing ERC20 tokens representing crypto assets or securities to liquidity pools, where they are available for traders wanting to swap these assets. Participation in Swarm Markets requires a passport, a KYC process linked to a self-custodial crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Ledger. Swarm also offers business accounts for institutional participation and operates a permissionless, decentralized over-the-counter trading service for institutions wanting to execute large on-chain transactions. After a clarification from the European Supervisory Market Authority that the new markets and crypto assets regulation would not apply to decentralized applications and services, the project implemented DOTC orders. Due to legal restrictions, Swarm Markets is not available in all countries. SMT currently has a market cap of 30 million. We believe that SMT has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 4 billion in the future. That is a nice 133x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.